If you would like to add discussion prompts for students, you can use our generative AI to save time by suggesting possible discussion prompts to you based on the content you want students to think about. To generate an AI discussion prompt, navigate to an assignment and highlight some text that you want students to discuss. To give the AI model adequate context, highlight at least a full sentence or two. In the conversation panel on the right, underneath the comment box, now click Suggest a Discussion Prompt. After a few seconds, the AI model will insert a potential discussion prompt that you can post. Perusall will never post anything automatically. Instead, it will suggest a question that you can review, edit, or discard prior to it being posted for students to see. This feature can be used on any document where the text can be highlighted using the Annotate Text tool. If you have any questions, we're happy to help. You can reach out to us at support@perusall.com or click Get Help at the top of any page in Perusall. Our knowledge base also contains information on this and many other topics.